guys, welcome to the Taco Tuesday series where I'm going to cook my way through my Taco Tuesday cookbook. And today I'm making my favorite recipe, the Asian Thai rib tacos. If you're the type of person that loves tacos, and I hope you do, this is one video series you're not going to want to miss. So make sure to click on that red subscribe button right below this video so we can cook a new taco recipe every single Tuesday. And once you try this recipe, I guarantee that you'll forever change the way you think about tacos. Welcome back to a killer recipe for Asian Thai rib tacos from the Taco Tuesday cookbook. Again, in this series, I'm going to cook my way through every taco inside my cookbook. If you need a copy, grab it from the description box below this video so you can make sure to follow along and have the recipes every single week. And believe me, you're going to want to own a copy, if not for anything, but for this recipe alone. There are things that one should not say out loud about their tacos, and this is it, all right? As much as I love the traditional taco ingredients like sour cream, salsa, and guacamole, and when I say love, I mean that I keep 2 containers of each in my fridge at all times. I have to say, this slow cooker Thai rib recipe has changed my feelings towards tacos. It's also the recipe that inspired me to keep coming up with creative recipes for the new cookbook and to think outside the traditional taco seasoning flavors. Which is why the Taco Tuesday cookbook has a fresh and fabulous taco recipe for every week of the year. There are a number of reasons this is my favorite recipe and also the very first in the taco schedule. It's all those incredible Thai flavors cooked slowly, wrapped in a warm tortilla that tastes like $1,000,000. B, since it's made in a slow cooker, it's a super easy recipe. And C, I want you to start out your Taco Tuesday journey with a bang. And this recipe is it. I'm first going to cut this rack of baby ribs into 3 or 4 sections and place them inside the slow cooker dish. If you can't find these, a substitute would be bone-in country ribs. Bone-in meat is going to give this recipe a tenderness and juiciness that's to die for. Next, we are going to make a sweet Thai sauce that will cook along with the ribs. And oh man, let me tell you that this sauce is the bomb. As it cooks, it coats the ribs, creating the perfect glaze. I start with combining some soy sauce, sriracha, brown sugar, rice vinegar, honey, sesame oil, fresh ginger, and of course, garlic. We give it a good whisk and pour it over the ribs. All we have to do now is cover it and cook on high for about 5 hours or low for 8. So once the meat starts to separate from the bones, you know it's almost taco time. So let's transfer these ribs onto a cutting board, and with 2 forks, I'm gonna shred the meat, making sure to remove and discard the bones. This recipe makes me so happy. Like, you gotta lick your chops with this one. Look at it. I'm going to leave a lot of large chunks because then I'm gonna put the rib meat back into the slow cooker and mix it with the sauce. We give the meat a quick stir to mix with the sauce. And the sauce, man, you're gonna want to do things to it. It's so good. I like to warm my tortillas by toasting them on a skillet or a pan. It makes them more pliable, and that hugs the ingredients so much better. Because you want them to have like that crispy brown, because they just taste so much better. Let's get this taco party started by creating a bed of shredded cabbage on top of this tortilla. This gives it a great crunch we all love. Then I'm gonna top it with some rib meat, a drizzle or more of the sauce for good measure, and some green scallions or green onions over the top. This recipe is all about spice and textures. So if you like spicy, you can just add a little more sriracha and a sprinkle of sesame seeds. Purely for decoration if you have them around. Holy smokes. Okay, week 1 of our Taco Tuesday series is off to an incredible start with these Asian Thai rib tacos because they're off the hook. The meat is falling apart tender. It's coated with that sweet, savory, spicy Thai sauce and that fresh crunch from the cabbage. Hang on. Although this is my favorite taco recipe in the entire book, there are still 51 incredible Taco Tuesdays that we are gonna eat our way through. So check the description box right below this video to find out the recipe and grab a copy of the Taco Tuesday cookbook because a new video comes out every single Tuesday. See you next time. How was that?
Of course it was great.
Right, because I'm having a taco moment. I'm like, oh my God.